humerus. Humerus is the part of our hand, which means it's an arm. So the parts first are here is the greater tubercle, here is the lesser tubercle, this is the head, this part, and then here is the deltoid tuberosity. Then there are two borders, medial border over here and anterior border over here. There are two surfaces, anterior medial surface, anterior lateral surface. And so this is the anatomical position, basically like this. This is of right, so yeah, this comes here. These are the two epicondyles. The first one over here is the lateral epicondyle, inside is the medial epicondyle, and this is the coronoid fossa, and then this is the capitulum, the trochlea, and its medial edge. And going behind is the medial border over here, the same. And then then we'll talk about olecranon fossa over here. The olecranon fossa, yeah, that's all. And then here is the surgical neck over here. If you can see, then this is the anatomical neck. And then the muscles attached. So muscle attached on the greater tubercle is supraspinatus, lesser tubercle is the subscapularis, then the latissimus dorsi is over here, you can see. And then down here there's teres major over here. Then over here, full part is the brachioradialis. Sorry, it's the brachialis. I'm very sorry. It's brachialis. Then here is the coracobrachialis. Here is the deltoid. Then going down here is the common flexor origin. Sorry, over here is the common flexor origin. Then here, extensor carpi longus over here. Then going behind, head covered with the articular cartilage. Then supinus comes behind, and then epiphyseal as well, and teres minor. These three muscles come behind. Then over here full is the medial head of triceps brachii. Over here, just how that is the lateral head of triceps brachii. So the two heads, lateral and medial. Then here is the capsular line. Then here inside zone fossa, olecranon fossa. There, that's it. That's all for the important for the humerus. This is another position like this. Here, like this, the angular position. And then over here, it's the right, it's the left. Here it goes. Over here, you can see. It is in the glenite cavity. It moves in the glenite cavity of the scapula. That's all for today. So guys, do leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends as much as possible. So thank you, and this is you over and out. Sayonara.